Hello folks in Downingtown, PA. Beautiful, gorgeous day. Look at this place. Gorgeous, very nice location. These houses are all about 15 years old. They all have the same issues. So our customer today, they had a really bad sliding door, and they already had a few people come over to look at it. Andersen, Pella, they had 4 or 5 guys to come take a look at it. The reason they got it from us, they loved the high energy efficiency. They loved the customer videos. So I want to thank our customers for doing the videos after the job is done. I really appreciate that. And they help with the prime property. So they got a great price for their door. And I want to thank them for their business.